Everything about concentrations that makes it easier is understanding units. And the units, well, that's a bit tiny. Let's move on. Yeah, that'll do. The units for concentration are now mole. It looks like this: mole backslash dm³. The way you would say it in words, and this is really important because it tells you everything about it. So in words, this is moles per. Now this is not capital, but I'm putting on capital on purpose. Per dm³. I can't get the little 3 up there, so what I'm just going to delete this. Oopsie daisy. Let's just get rid of that 3 and I'll do it with pen. Right, moles per dm³. The key word is per. And what that means is, this is the number of moles. So if I explain this, this is the number of moles in 1 dm³. That is what concentration is how many moles you've got in exactly 1 dm³. That's what it is. Now, this is so important that students, the first thing to watch out for is this dm³. We're horrible. We're not going to give it to you in dm³. We are going to give you solutions. Sorry, we're going to give volume. So dm³ is volume. It's 1,000 centimeter cubed. But we're going to be really horrible. Let's write that here. So you've got 1 dm³. That is going to be equal to 1,000 cm³. And we're really mean. We're going to give you volume in cm³. So the first thing you've got to do is divide by 1,000. And that is this part here. I'm just going to take an image of that part there. Volume equals. So we'll give you it in cm³. You've got to divide by 1,000. All right? Have to. If we've given you in cm³, you've got to really pay attention to this. That's disgusting handwriting. That's a cm³. All right? And you've got to really pay attention. If it's cm³, you've got to divide it by 1,000. Okay. Now, how do you do it? How do you calculate concentration? There's a little formula here. Some of you young ones like to use this triangle. I don't. I hate it. It's disgusting. It's not maths. It's cheating. But if you want to use it, you're more than welcome to. For me, concentration is equal to how many moles you've got in total divided by your volume, and it must be in dm³. All right, dm³. I'm going to make a random question up. Okay. You've got 0.002 moles of sodium chloride in 20 cm³. What is its concentration? The moment I see a question like that, I just go, oh, do you know what? No, you're not doing that to me. This is cm³, it's not dm³. I'm being asked for concentration. I'm going to divide that by 1,000 first. That's the first thing I'm going to do, even before I start laying things out. 0.02. Do not do it like me in your head. Use a calculator. So this is my volume in dm³. Now I'm a happy man. Next thing, write out your formula. Is concentration equals moles divided by, you actually use N, because M is used for mass, so N for number of moles divided by volume. So concentration in this case is 0.002 divided by 0.02. That should give us 0.1 moles per dm³. I think. I'm being a very bad man and not using a calculator. There's your answer. Okay. Now I've stopped that recording.